if you are waiting for that perfect moment to capture the DeFi yields, then the clock is literally ticking. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so guys, I will be showing you a couple of websites that I find very helpful for you to understand more on what this is. So now a time-sensitive development is actually unfolding within the Cardano ecosystem. Now, as you can see, a game changer for cross-chain liquidity. Now, guys, as the 10-day bridge fee subsidy for routing the USD coin into the network approaches its expiration this Sunday. Now, this temporary incentive has actually effectively reduced the transaction friction to near zero, which is also encouraging rapid capital movements and creating a short-lived window where the market's inefficiencies and the yield differentials may actually emerge. Now, as a result, guys, participants are closely watching the opportunity to reposition assets while the cost remain very minimal. Now, you have why now right here. Okay, of course, you got to make sure that you're always doing your own research. Check this website out. And another website that you could also go ahead and check is this one, guys, DefiLlama. Okay, you could actually check out a lot of coins in here. And as you can see, Cardano total value locked in DeFi is at 138.42 millions. You have stable coins market cap. Okay, you have chain fees and a lot of different stuff that will definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know them better. Okay. Now, going back to this article, guys, capturing market share during this phase is actually particularly important. Okay. Deep and stable liquidity pools serve as the backbone of any thriving DeFi ecosystem that is supporting efficient trading and also attracting sustained volume. So providers who secure a meaningful share of the pair, such as the USDCx ADA pair or the ADA pair, are actually likely to play a central role in facilitating transactions and capturing those proportional share of the generated fees as the activity increases. So again, guys, this is a very, very helpful article, and I would strongly suggest that you review this one because even beyond the full subsidy period, a 90-day reduced fee window remains in place. This extended phase continues to support gradual capital migration, offering the participants additional time to adapt strategies while also still benefiting from the lower than usual cost across the evolving ecosystem. Now, again, guys, link to these two websites will be in the description of the video. Very, very helpful. Again, make sure to always do your own research. Head on over to the DEX liquidity pools right now to lock in your position before that 100% fee subsidy vanishes this weekend. And if you are new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.